new mom and not doing this right now, you're leaving $960,000 on the table. I started doing this for my daughter when she was born, and now I'm kicking myself for not doing it sooner for my nephews when they were born. Let me ask you a question. What can you buy with 50 bucks per month? Maybe it's coffee, maybe it's milk, eggs. Did you know that you invest 50 bucks per month for your baby the moment they're born, and you continue doing it together until they're 65? Together, you've only invested $40,000, but it has compounded to $1 million. But it doesn't end there. If you level up and invest 500 bucks per month, they're gonna become a millionaire by the age 35. 1,000 bucks? Millionaire by 28. Why stop there? People buy Chanel bags every single month. If you invest $5,000 per month for your baby the moment they're born, they are going to become a millionaire by the age of 11. Now I know what you're thinking, but Kiana, investing is too risky. I'm so busy. I'm not a math whiz. Congratulations, you've been buying into the lie that Wall Street has been wanting you to believe. However, if you're ready to set your baby up for life so you don't have to worry about the future and can finally sleep soundly at night, comment baby below and check out my free masterclass.